Hi, sir. Good day, Sir Imoy. I am Shane Kainoy Bernales, a first-year student taking up a Bachelor of Arts in Social Science. I currently live in Sitio Cadlum Uno, Barangay San Agustin, from the land of sweet people here in Negros, which is the sweetheart of Negros, the municipality of Isabela. And my interests and hobbies in life are singing, jogging, cycling, and also worshiping in God, sir. And my daily physical routine is jogging to improve my cardiovascular endurance and speed. And I am also looking forward to improve my physical activities in this PE class. And also, a fun fact about me, I am a humble person, um, a good student, and also a compassionate student to my classmate and also to my studies. Thank you, sir, for watching my video. Bye!